For making the backhand hitch, we need to have our object, in this case I use this drumstick, and a rope. We take the rope and we pass it under the object, around it, then back to the standing part like this. We take the running hand and we put it over the stick, and now under the object. So we have this part like this. Then we take the running hand, put it over the standing part, inside this little part like this, and then we pass the running hand over the standing part and inside this part, and the knot is done. We pull. As you can see, we have two loops, these two parts around the object, and the knot that block the rope, and the knot is done.